Okay, now it's time to get my twinkle toes ready for 2026. Don't make me laugh, Cassie. Wait. I'm trying to bend here so I can clip my toenails. You're gonna sit there and watch me?
Yeah, oh, don't worry. It's your first video.
My first video. I'm using my cell phone so I can upgrade to laptop and fancy equipment at a later stage.
Maybe someone will sponsor you.
Maybe. Right, so... Oh, now it's clear.
What you doing? You cutting your nails and then?
And then I'm just gonna paint them.
Gonna paint them what color?
This green. This light. It's got...
Yeah. Glitter
in it, yeah.
Alright.
So now I'm just gonna paint that on my toenails in a bit. Then there'll be real twinkle toes. The dogs are barking, for shame. People busting their fireworks so early. Oh, it's dark already. And we're getting ready to go to church later, so we can go into the new year in prayer. Because, hey, this life, hey, was so stressful. But we need to keep the faith. Cass, where are you? Okay, thanks. I need to get all my nail files and stuff again. I don't know where I put all my stuff. When I used to do beauty, I don't know what I did all my stuff over the years moving. Oh, so tired of moving from this house, that house, this area, that area. Anyway, to try and make things better. Okay. This is a bit better. Yes, I'm trying to record my video here. Look, your friends are trying to phone. Video call. Hey. My phone is beeping, yeah, buzzing. I'll be done just now with my first video. Just give me a few minutes.
Relax.
I can just see messages popping up. Please tell Cass.
I know.
Oh, I went too deep there. Okay, let me clip the rest of the toes. In case you're wondering, must be these are my massage slippers. I need to get new ones. Okay, let's see how this is gonna look.
How big is that hair?
It's a small one. I need to get new stuff.
Not big as this one.
Because no, I'm finished. I finished clipping my nails. I just need to paint here. Can't really see. I can't see you. I need to get my nail stuff.
Or paint them first and then put it closer a little bit.
Okay, let me just pause this. I can't see. Yes, help me here. I can't see what I'm doing. Careful, man. Wait, I can't see. You block you with the phone. See, there's the messages popping up your friends. Eh? Can you see anything there?
Yeah, it's like
It's very light.
I think it's
No, I need to get a...
the light on.
I must get a color, a base, and then...
Yeah, and put that over.
And then put it over. And that's my twinkle toes for 2026. Now I need to put on some pretty shoes to get ready. And that's my twinkle toes ready for the new year. Yay! So cute.